Hi and what's up? I am Scovia if you're new here, and I love showing you easy and amazing recipe. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate cupcakes, and they're very easy to prepare, but the outcome is so good. So stay tuned until the end of the video and learn how to make these amazing cupcakes. So to get started, I have a few ingredients. I have my flour, sugar, cocoa or cacao, 1 egg, buttermilk, cooking oil, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla essence, and salt. And you'll find all the ingredients listed in the description box in the right quantities. So to get started, I'm going to mix my dry ingredients together. So I'm going to add sugar, flour, my cocoa, baking powder. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then using my whisk, I'm going to whisk the dry ingredients until well combined. This is to make sure that everything is fully combined. So make sure you give the dry ingredients a good whisk, because cocoa powder usually has lumps. So by whisking, we are trying to also get rid of the lumps. If you have a sieve, you can use that as well. At this point, you're going to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you're going to line your cupcake tin with cupcake liners, just like mine. So I'm going to keep this aside, and then in another small bowl, I'm going to add in my egg. I have 1 egg, buttermilk, cooking oil, and vanilla essence. Then I'm going to whisk my wet ingredients until fully combined. I love making cake because, yeah, I'm a cake lover. And if there's anything that I love the most, is a good chocolate cake. So this is going to be, okay, I'm making cupcakes, but it is also like chocolate cake. So it's going to be so good. There's something about chocolate cake that you should know. The cake has to be very moist, and everything has to balance so that it can be a good, delicious cake. So hope you follow and make yourself these amazing cupcakes, and you will surely enjoy. So now that I'm done mixing my wet ingredients, I'm going to add the wet ingredients into my dry. Then I'm going to mix in using my whisk. Make sure everything is combined. And I love the smell right now. Once everything is combined, I'm going to add in half a cup of hot water. Make sure it is very hot. Then I'm going to combine this into the batter. So this is how it's looking. Make sure you scrape the bottom of the bowl so that all the batter can be mixed with the hot water. The reason I'm adding the hot water at this point is because I didn't want the hot water to cook the eggs once I added into the wet ingredients. So the hot water is the last thing that you add into the batter. So everything is well combined. I'm going to keep this aside, and then I'm going to pick my cupcake tin, which I've already lined with cupcake liners, and using an ice cream scoop, or if you don't have an ice cream scoop, you can use the quarter cup to fill your cupcake liners. And a very good tip, add the butter halfway. Don't go past halfway, because the butter might spill while baking. So I'm going to use my ice cream scoop and scoop out the butter. This is going to give me equal portions. Add the butter in the cupcake liner, just like that. It's going to be messy, but don't worry about the mess. So you're going to bake your cupcakes for about 18 to 20 minutes, and you can check if they're ready by inserting a skewer or a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, your cupcakes are ready. My cupcakes are ready, and they've been cooling for around 30 minutes, so they are ready for frosting. So I'm going to be frosting my cupcakes with buttercream, and over here I have my butter, I have my sugar, vanilla, milk, and red food color. I want just to have a very nice color on my cupcakes. I'm going to beat my butter until pale white. So I'm done whipping up my butter, and as you can see, it has turned pale white. So the next thing I'll be adding powdered sugar. So I'm going to add in intervals while I use my spatula to mix up with the butter. So this recipe is very simple, as you can see. So I'll continue adding my powdered sugar into my butter in bits until every bit of sugar is incorporated into the butter. So I'm going to add in a tablespoon of vanilla. I'm just eyeballing. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of milk. Then at this point, I'm going to use my mixer and mix until the buttercream is very smooth. So I'll add another tablespoon of milk because my buttercream is thick. My buttercream is ready and it's smelling amazing from the vanilla, and it's ready for frosting. Yum. I'm going to divide the butter in two, then I'm going to add red food color and mix until combined. So I'm done whipping up my buttercream. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add my buttercream into my piping bag. So I'll add this in. And because the cupcakes are not too many, I think this is going to be enough. Then I'm going to squeeze in my buttercream until it comes to the tip, just like that. So you're going to place the piping bag in the center and give your buttercream a swirl, just like that. See how gorgeous it looks? So I'm going to repeat the same in the rest of the cupcakes, and it's going to be amazing. So using buttercream is very simple, as we have seen. So if you have any remaining buttercream, you can store it in the refrigerator in an airtight container, and you can use it anytime you bake your cake. It is good as that. So I'm done frosting my cupcakes, and they look amazing, and I love how delicious they will be. So I hope you try out the recipe. Make for your family or your kids these amazing chocolate cupcakes, and they will surely enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and catch you on my next one.